Let me ask you something. You sit down to study, books open, laptop ready, and somehow 2 hours pass. You're exhausted, but nothing actually went in. If that feels familiar, this video is for you. Because the problem is not that you're lazy, it's that you're using study habits that feel productive, but are secretly destroying your focus, memory, and motivation. Today, I'll show you 5 study habits you're doing completely wrong and exactly how to fix them starting today. Stay with me. Number 3 alone changed how I study forever. Habit number 1. Studying first thing in the morning without a plan. Most students wake up and say, "I'll just start studying." Sounds disciplined, but it's actually a trap. Your brain in the morning is sharp, but only if you tell it what to do. When you start with everything, your brain feels overwhelmed, and overwhelmed brains procrastinate. The fix: do this tomorrow morning. Before sleeping, write only one task for the morning. Not study biology. Instead, revise photosynthesis diagrams for 25 minutes. Why this works? Because clarity reduces mental resistance. Your brain loves clear finish lines. One task, one session, no pressure. Habit number 2 is studying for long hours without breaks. Let me guess. You tell yourself, "Today I'll study for 4 hours straight." And after 40 minutes, your focus is gone. You reread the same line again and again. That's not discipline failing, that's biology. Your brain's focus chemicals drop after 25 to 45 minutes. The fix: science-backed and simple. Study in short sprints. 25 minutes study, 5 minutes break. Stand up, stretch, drink water. This is called active recovery. It keeps dopamine stable so you don't burn out. You'll study less time and remember more. Habit number 3. Highlighting and rereading like it actually works. Be honest. You highlight pages. They look colorful. They feel productive. But later in the exam, your mind goes blank. That's because rereading is passive learning. Your brain recognizes the text but doesn't store it. The fix: this is powerful. After studying a topic, close the book. Now ask yourself, can I explain this out loud like I'm teaching a friend? This is called active recall. If you can explain it simply, you know it. If you can't, that's exactly what to fix. No fancy tools, just your brain doing real work. Habit number 4, studying in the evening when you're already exhausted. Most students study after the whole day is over. Classes, travel, social media, mental stress, and then they wonder why they feel unmotivated. You're not unmotivated, you're mentally tired. The fix: small shift, big results. Use evenings for revision, not heavy learning. Hard topics earlier in the day, light revision evening. Even 20 minutes of revision is enough. Your brain consolidates memory better when you don't force it. Study smarter, not when you're half dead. Habit number 5, depending on motivation instead of systems. This one hurts. You wait to feel motivated, but motivation is unreliable. Some days it shows up, most days it doesn't. That's normal. The fix: this changes everything. Create a minimum system. Even on bad days, you do the bare minimum. One session, one topic, one win. Progress beats perfection. Consistency builds confidence. Confidence creates motivation, not the other way around. How to fix all 5 habits in one simple daily system. Now, listen carefully. Most students fail not because they don't know what to do, but because everything feels scattered. So, here's a simple daily study flow you can steal. Morning. Build momentum. One clear task, 25 minutes, no phone. Even if that's the only thing you do all day, you've already won. Momentum beats motivation. Afternoon. Deep focus window. This is when your brain works best. One hard topic, 2 study sprints. Active recall only. Don't reread, don't highlight, explain it out loud. Yes, you'll feel uncomfortable. That discomfort means learning is happening. Evening. light revision, and calm. No pressure studying. Flashcards, note summary, explaining concepts to yourself. End studying before you're exhausted. Why? Because a calm brain remembers better than a stressed one. The biggest mindset shift. Most students miss this. Here's the truth no one tells you. Studying is not about being perfect. It's about showing up when you don't feel like it. Bad study days still count. Short sessions still count. Slow progress still counts. You don't need to feel confident to start. Confidence comes after you start. I've seen students who thought they were average outperform smart ones. Why? Because they stopped chasing motivation and started trusting systems. They stopped asking, "Do I feel like studying?" and started asking, "What's the smallest step I can take right now?" That question changes everything. Before this video ends, do this. Pause the video. Open your notes app. Write one thing you'll study today. Just one. Not later, not tomorrow, today. Then come back. I'll wait. You're not late. You're not dumb. You're not failing at life. You're learning how to learn. And once you fix that, everything else gets easier. If this video made you feel understood, hit like so more students see it. Subscribe because this channel is for students who want to win without burning out. And comment "starting today" so you make a promise to yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, study smart, stay consistent, and believe in